How to install Google Home app on iPhone. Done with Google Home app on your iPhone. Let's install in just a few taps. Find the Google Home app icon on your iPhone home screen. Press and hold the app until a menu pops up. Tap Remove App. You will see two choices: remove from home screen or delete app. If you just remove it from the home screen, it's still on your phone. To completely uninstall, tap Delete App, confirm when your iPhone asks, and boom, the Google Home app is gone. And here's the pro tip: if you think you might use Google Home again, don't worry. You can always reinstall it from the App Store, and that's it. You have successfully installed the Google Home app from your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, hit like, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment and subscribe for more quick and fun tech tips. See you in the next one.